second page here. Identify the domain range for each function. So we'll put D and R. Alright, domain is X. For this one, there's a horizontal tangent right there. So X cannot equal to 0. And then there's also a vertical tangent right there. So Y cannot equal to -2. They can equal any other number except for those, so we write comma X is equal to all real numbers. That's what that means. Y is equal to all real numbers. Next one, dr domain. For this one, X is going to be equal to all real numbers. And range bottoms out at -5, so Y is going to be have to greater than or equal to -5. This one, domain range. There's going to be a horizontal tangent right there at -2. So we're going to say Y must be greater than or equal to 2, and it will continue to go in this direction forever, and same with this direction forever. So domain X is equal to all real numbers. Alright, next one. We're just plugging this number into the equation. So 5 minus 3 times -2 squared. Order of operations. -2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So it's going to be 5 minus 12, which is -7. So G of -2 is equal to -7. Next one, plug in a plus 2 in for X. So we'll do 5 minus 3 times a plus 2 squared. Multiply a plus 2 out. So we got 5 minus 3 times a squared plus 4a plus 4, multiplied by a -3, 5 minus 3a squared minus 12a minus 12. Simplify that one more time, -3a squared minus 12a minus 7. Sorry. Equals G of a plus 2. Alright, next one. Write this first 6 terms. So the 0 term would be -15. Each term it's adding 1/2. So term 1 is going to be 14.5. Next term is going to be 14. Next, 13.5. And so on to 12. The next one, all it's doing here is multiplying by -3 each time. If you plug in term 1, so if you plug 1 into n, 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 to the 0th power is 1. -3 times 1 is -3. So our first term is -3. Plug in a 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 to the first power is 3. Times -3 is -9. And it's just multiplying by -3 each time. There you go. Write an explicit and recursive rule for this. So we see that this is term 1, this term 2, this term 3. See that it's adding 4 each time. So our explicit one is the shorter one. It's going to be t of n equals 4n plus 0. Yeah, 4n plus 0 or just 4n. Next, that's explicit. Alright, exp. Recursive, next one. Going to be t of n equals n plus 1. Kind of forgot how to write this. N plus 1. Oh, t of n plus 1. Equals t of n plus 4. T of 1 is equal to 4. Easy stuff.